true murder mystery casting a dark shadow on a normally quiet Scottsdale neighborhood.
It was a case that rocked the valley.
It's scary that you don't know exactly what happened, and it's just right around the corner.
Loved ones last hearing from Allison Feldman February 17, 2015. The 31-year-old's boyfriend finding her dead inside her Scottsdale home the next day.
It's a little easier just because it's been a long time, but you know, she was still the apple of our eye and a daughter that we loved, and we miss her.
ABC 15 sitting down with Allison's dad as the case hits the 10-year mark.
Did you ever expect, to learn this much or be on this long of a journey?
No, I had no expectation. And I think the court system works, but it works at its own pace.
It would take 3 years for an arrest to be made. Allison's case marking the first time familial DNA was used in Arizona, pointing police to suspect Ian Mitcham.
Ian Mitcham, October 6, 75.
Ultimately, DNA from the murder scene compared to a blood sample taken by police in 2015 when Mitcham was arrested for a DUI. That process done without a warrant. Years later, as a trial date approached, a judge tossing out that DNA sample, saying it shouldn't have been available for testing.
We went to the Arizona Court of Appeals, and we won that case to have that DNA as part of this case, and they appealed that, and then we went to the Arizona Supreme Court.
The state Supreme Court saying while the search did violate Mitcham's Fourth Amendment rights, inevitably, as a now twice convicted felon, law enforcement would have gotten his DNA lawfully.
I do this for her. The reason we moved to Arizona was so that we'd be close to the courts.
An October trial date now on the books, but Mitcham's attorney trying to take the battle over DNA to the nation's capital. His request to the Supreme Court tries to challenge the Arizona justice's interpretation of inevitable discovery.
I just take this one step at a time, and so when the trial comes, we'll see what happens.
After a decade, Harley knows there's still a long road ahead. ABC 15 did reach out to Mitcham's attorney, but he did not want to comment. For Arizona Tonight, I'm Ashley Holden.